Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is the Cartoon Man 13 here, and welcome to episode 32 of Trailer Reactions, in which this time I'll react to 4 trailers, and they are the final trailer for Spectre, the first trailer for Hail Caesar, the official trailer for the Good Dinosaur, and the first trailer for Ratchet and Clank. Alright, so here's the Spectre trailer, the final trailer, the official trailer for Hail Caesar. Oh, it's trailer 2 for The Good Dinosaur. Duh, it's trailer 2. And the Ratchet and Clank trailer. Anyways, I'm going to start things off with the final trailer for Spectre. Alright, so, yeah. Let's get started. Episode 32 of Trailer Reactions, and it's going to be, the first one will be for the Spectre trailer. Alright, about a minute in, let's get started. I'm going to push play in 3, 2, 1, and pressing play.
This organization, do you know what it's called?
Its name is Spectre.
Look around you, James. Everything you believed in are ruined. Why did you come? You came here to kill me.
Now, a building falling up.
And I thought you came here to die. Well, it's all a matter of perspective.
Wow. Wow. That was a good one. Next one up is for Hail Caesar. Yeah, Hail Caesar. Hail Caesar. Anyways, I'm going to push play in 3, 2, 1, and pressing play.
Last week, Father Five said, how long since your last confession, my son? 27 hours. It's really too often. You're not that bad.
Here at Capitol Pictures, as you know, millions of people left us for information and uplift and, yes, entertainment. And we're going to give it to them. And action. An army of technicians and actors and top-notch artistic people are working hard to bring to the screen our biggest release of the year. Hail Caesar is a prestige picture with one of the biggest stars in the
it's a
world,
movie about the movie.
the truth we could see if we had what? If we had. Hey! Hey! Cut!
So it's a movie about making a movie. Okay.
Somebody slipped it under my door. We have your movie star. Gather $100,000 and await instructions. Who are we? The future. Hello, Bert. Hello, Smith. Lawrence, Obi, thank you all for coming. The studio needs your help. Ed Whitlock has been kidnapped.
This is bad for movie stars everywhere.
She sings the perfect harmony. It's been 24 hours, but we're looking for him. We don't want it in the gossip columns.
This is going to cost the studio a lot of money.
And that's where you come in. I need some cash.
They must have very strong forearms. Is it hard squeezing it like that?
It's part of the job, yes.
I'd like to know what the hell is going on here. 20 million readers want the truth, Eddie.
Truth, yes.
Eddie? Mannix, a real drama. Mr. Mannix, I know it sounds screwy, but someone's calling from the future? Good lord.
Huh.
Wondering what's going on?
Well, wasn't that something? Next one up is for the Good Dinosaur trailer 2, which it'll be a Disney Pixar film. Anyways, yeah, the Good Dinosaur trailer 2, pushing play in 3, 2, 1, and pressing play.
I think we went far enough today. Let's get you home.
Oh, wow. The CGI looks awesome. Look at this, he just...
We need to get home.
I got a job for you. Keep on the dodge and silent the law, but only pass him horn is.
What?
That creature protects you. What is his name?
I don't know.
I name him, I keep him. Killer.
Stinky!
Violent.
Spike!
Lunatic.
Spot! Spot! Come here, Spot! Come here!
Spot.
You Spot! I'm done being scared.
If you ain't scared, you ain't alive.
I miss my family. You don't understand.
Wow. Stunned. Stunned. Yeah, so... yeah. The last one up will be for Ratchet and Clank, which will be a video game adaptation based off of a PlayStation franchise. And yeah, the last one up will be for Ratchet and Clank. Anyways, pushing play in 3, 2, 1, and pressing play. Of course. And something went wrong. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I have a poor internet connection or something. Sometimes it just does that, where it just stops and then it starts back up. I'm just gonna wait until the internet does its thing, because it's normally it stops and then it starts up again for some odd reason. I'm gonna can't you see I'm filming an episode here? Just go to green and be good. Sorry about that, folks. Anyways, gonna watch the trailer again. Gonna start it up again since the internet wants to act up. Anyways, Ratchet and Clank trailer reaction. Pushing play again in 3, 2, 1, and once again pressing play. Here we go with the whole in a world thing.
In another world.
In another world.
The Galactic Rangers are looking for a new recruit. A man with a dream.
Actually, I'm a Lombax.
Fine, a Lombax with a dream. We want you.
Yeah!
If you have heart, then you have what it takes. You don't have what it takes.
Wait, God.
Next! We'll discover a beautiful friendship.
Oh,
Not beautiful, but definitely attractive. Like a 7.
My name's Ratchet. I'll just call you Clank.
Now, on the dark side of the universe. In 2 days' time, the Galactic Rangers will be destroyed. Stanley, are you texting? Dialing mother.
oh wow.
An unstoppable evil.
My brilliant creation!
Most of the time. Burn. We'll give them the chance
An attack is coming. I must warn the Rangers.
I can totally help.
to be heroes. No, legends. Wait, even better. Does anyone else feel like we should have shot something by now?
Thank you.
This April, destroy them all.
Good music.
Galactic Force threatens the
And it looks
world.
like it's gonna be an awesome film.
Test your gear. Find your courage.
The Secretinator.
Uh-oh.
And kick. Baby! Some asteroid.
Wow, this is awesome.
Ratchet and Clank.
It is curious that the sudden cessation of velocity did not cause either of you to... Oh dear.
Don't worry, Cadet. It happens to the best of... Oh, that was terrible. Make it stop.
Wow, that was awesome. Can't wait to see it. Well, final thoughts on all the trailers. The Spectre trailer looks really good. Hail Caesar looks pretty good. The Good Dinosaur and Ratchet and Clank look really good. I can't wait to see all these movies, especially Spectre, The Good Dinosaur, and Ratchet and Clank. Hail Caesar still looks pretty good though. Anyways, that's going to do it for episode 32 of Trailer Reactions. I'll see you in my next video. Yeah, I'm going to have a fun time over here with Spectre, The Good Dinosaur, and Ratchet and Clank. But again, Hail Caesar still looks pretty good. Anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. See you in my next video. Take care, everybody, and so long.